Greetings, gentle ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for tuning in. This is Mansa Jamil and my host, Malik Amir. And we are so excited to share you guys this revolutionary technology. And this technology is just not some new technology. This is new to the public. This is new to the people. And it's like about 4,400 people that know about this right now, that's been testing in this, that's been having a ton of success, that's been, really, really excited. This is really quantum technology at its finest. I got Malik Amir here. He's in the Silicon Valley. We are both here, and we're just excited to bring this to the people. And without further ado, Malik, you want to say something before we jump into this overview?
Hey, Mansa, thank you for having me on here. I am super, super excited. And I just wanted to tell you guys that this is something that I have never seen before in my life and never felt the power of quantum physics until now, okay? So we're getting ready to do some major things in this industry, something that has never been done before. And we just want to invite you guys to come along with us on this ride as we get ready to launch into 2020, okay? So this is going to be something that you are going to be taken by storm, and I just don't want to see anyone be left behind as this thing starts to take off. So we just want to show you guys exactly what we're holding our hands on right now, and this is something that is extremely phenomenal and is going to take the whole world by surprise right now.
Absolutely. But first, we want to do a quick little disclaimer because we want to make sure that we are in compliant. We don't want to alter any medical treatment, the use of medication without any permission from your medical care doctor. FDA regulates and prohibit the use of therapeutic or medical claims in conjunction with the sale of any product or not approved by FDA. So with that being said, guys, let's just dive right into it to let you know here. We're in the state where acupuncture was first started, when people started using acupuncture for taking away pain and stuff back in the day. So we're at that level right now with this quantum technology that we have our hands on. So let me share my screen, guys, and let's dive into this here. Boom. So what is Limbic Art? People want to know this. What is Limbic Art? Okay, Limbic Art, the world's first quantum energy wellness app managed directly through any online device. Okay, so when we say any online device, anything that you can record your voice on, anything you can use on your cell phone, you can use your tablet, you can use your laptop. I'm using my MacBook Pro, I'm using my cell phone, I'm using all these devices to tap into this quantum technology. And one thing that I like about this technology is that it helps me with all different types of ills, weaknesses, pains, brings you the energy that you need to have your day go by without you feeling sluggish or anything like that. So we want to dive into this and share an overview on what this Limbic Art really is. Take it away, Malik.
So in today's modern world, it can be really hectic and really chaotic. So this is the reason why we bring you into the Limbic Art, right? So this is an innovative wellness solution that can definitely help you to solve all type of different things that you may be facing in your life. Me personally, I'm a person that drinks about, 2 to 3 cups of coffee on a daily basis. I drink a lot of energy drinks, you guys. And ever since I've been plugged into this cutting edge technology, I have not had the urge to drink any coffee. I'm not drinking energy drinks, and I'm just getting some info boosted directly from this mobile device that is helping me to stay energized, fully focused, and very sharp. Okay, so these products that we have here, they are not physical products. They are not anything that you have to consume, you guys. I know this is pretty hard for you to understand, but quantum physics is something that's based on energy. So we have something here which is called an info boost, right? And these ingredients that we have in the info boost, these are ingredients that are combined within the device, and through quantum physics, it can transfer from the device and actually give you the benefits of all of these different ingredients, right? So as you can see here, some of the things that we can actually help with are, the allergies. The allergies are something that a lot of people have problems with. And now we have a device that could actually help you without taking any type of supplements. Now, calm. There's people out here who face all types of anxieties and things like that, especially in the modern world, right? So the calm is something that definitely will help people to be able to calm their nerves in these type of situations that they may be dealing with. Detox, digestion, gut health. Now, these are things that a lot of people are dealing with on a regular basis, and they're probably taking a lot of pharmaceuticals to deal with these problems. Now, energy is something I've already touched on. Focus is something that I've been using myself that I could definitely attest to. It actually works. His and hers, these are things that can help you with your sexual benefits. And then we also have the immune, inflammation, multi-nutrition, and pain relief. Now, pain relief is something that I use as I'm going to sleep. I put it on pain relief, and it actually helps me to wake up feeling fresh and feeling relieved of any type of back pain or anything that I might be suffering with. All right. Now we have strength that actually can help you increase your strength levels. If you're a person that works out or goes to the gym, this might be something that you might want to try out. Okay. Now we also have the stress relief. The vision is something that I work with, and weight is something that actually can help you to reduce the amount of pounds that you may be carrying on the day to day, and actually help you to be able to mobilize and stabilize your weight. Okay, so these are some of the features that we have within the Limbic Art app, and these are something that are very phenomenal. These things will definitely help you on a whole nother level of quantum physics.
Absolutely. And the way this is all tied in, the way this works is the information in the cloud is accessed through the web app. The information is organized into an info boost that are designed to then focus directly to your energy field. Info boosts are possible through a quantum process that happens between the online library and your energy field. So everyone has their own energy field. And when you speak into this process, it's going to be like your fingerprint. Okay. So that's going to dictate who you are, where you're located. This is your address. Kind of like in blockchain, you have your Bitcoin address. Your voice, your fingerprint is going to be your address where you are located. Okay. This new technology, our unique quantum energy technology, is managed through a simple online interface, guys. You'll never have to carry a product inventory, since all the boost ingredients are in the cloud and are accessible online through your online devices. When using the Limbic Art web app, you have access to over 400 now unique quantum energy wellness products. We're constantly adding new products, so you'll have millions of options with Limbic Art monthly subscription. You'll have unlimited access to the features available with Dr. Cook's quantum energy pre-built info boost library. Now, right now it's $100 for the subscription, and as they add new info boosts and new ingredients, like they're adding CBD, and once they add that, guess what? You don't have no additional fees that's there. Okay, so this is very, very exclusive. There's no competition. We have a patent print pending on our product. We have a 15-year-old company that's been backed, that's publicly traded, I should say, and they've been around for 15 years, debt-free. My goodness, we have some very good benefits with this subscription. Go ahead and take it away, Malik.
So this is something that is easy to access to anyone who has a computer, a tablet, or a phone that's connected to the internet. You can manage the Limbic Art web app, and setting up your subscription is very, very simple, you guys. This is something that you can definitely do very quickly. It's safe, and there are no known limitations while using the Limbic Art app. Okay, it's safe for infants, children, and adults of all ages, including people with pacemakers. Okay, so this is some revolutionary technology that anyone can take part in, and this is something that you definitely want to try for yourself, just so you can see how it can actually benefit you.
Absolutely. So this, what we have in our hands, guys, what an info boost is, as you see over here on the left side, This is what it looked like on your cell phone. And then I'm gonna go ahead with it says, what is an info boost? Info boosts are the output of quantum energy that you could set up within the Limbic Art web app. Each info boost is based on a specific boost ingredient and can be selected manually or by using our proprietary Spark scan that uses your body's feedback to provide the desired results, guys, which is amazing. Unseen, never seen before type of technology. There's no wearables. There's nothing you got to hold on to. Once you activate this info boost, you don't need your phone around you. You don't need to be around a computer. It's sent to you directly, like bam. I believe in magic now, guys. Crazy.
Information is definitely powerful, and we live in an information age. So why not have an information boost that can, increase your frequencies, your vibrational levels, and just have you at peak levels of performance in all aspects of your life? This is powerful, you guys.
Key. That's key right there. Peak levels of performance. And that's what we need to build businesses around the world, to be there for our families, to not get sick, because these foods nowadays are getting everybody sick. It's in the water, it's in the air, it's in the veggies, it's in everything. I don't care what you are. If you're vegan, if you're a meat eater, whatever the case may be, you could be affected. So it's great to get these nutraceuticals direct to your body's quantum field, directly to your body's quantum field. And that's the fastest way that you can get these nutritional ingredients, guys. So we don't want to take too much of your time. We just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of what we have going, an overview of this technology that can be delivered instantly anywhere in the globe, guys. That's why we call ourselves the AI Global Legends, because you can get this international, guys. So stay tuned for the next video. Is there anything else you want to add, Malik?
Man, I'm just super, super excited. This is something that is definitely revolutionary, cutting edge, and we just want to see you guys at the forefront of this technology. And we're coming to a world near you, so just stay tuned, you guys. And the AI Global Legends, we definitely live on, and we're going to rank supreme, all right? So you guys have a great, great day. Blessings and prosperity upon you all, and we just want to see you guys at the top, because the bottom is way too crowded, guys.
Peace.